In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and extract data from a website to Excel. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own computer, and by the end, you'll be able to pull live data from the web directly into your spreadsheet, without copying and pasting everything by hand. Go ahead and open Excel and start with a new or existing workbook where you want the data to appear. It's a good idea to use a clean sheet, so you can clearly see what gets imported. Once Excel is open, look toward the top of the window for the main menu tabs. Find the tab labeled Data and click on it. This is where Excel keeps all of its tools for connecting to external sources like text files, databases, and websites. Inside the Data tab, look for a section or button related to getting data from the web. In many versions of Excel, this is called From Web, and appears as part of the Get and Transform Data or Get External Data group. Click on that option. When you do, Excel will open a new window asking you to provide a web address. Now, switch to your web browser and open the website that contains the table or data you want to import. Make sure the page you're on actually shows the data clearly in your browser. Then, go up to the address bar, copy the full URL, and go back into Excel. In the From Web window, paste that URL into the address field, and confirm or press OK. Excel will now connect to that web page and analyze it for any structured data it can read, usually tables or lists. After a moment, you'll see a navigator or preview panel. On the left side, you'll typically see a list of tables or data elements that Excel has detected. Click on each one to preview it on the right, and choose the table that matches the data you want. Once you've selected the correct table, click the button to load the data into Excel. The data will appear directly in your worksheet as a formatted table. From here, you can sort, filter, and use formulas just like any other data in Excel. One powerful feature is that this connection can often be refreshed. If the source website updates its information, you can right-click inside the imported table and choose the refresh option to pull in the latest data automatically, saving you time and reducing errors compared to manual copying.